Our next unit of chemistry is called stoichiometry, which is a cool unit because it says that if you know how much of any part of an equation you have, so let's say you know how much oxygen you have in this chemical reaction, then by a little bit of math, you can figure out how much aluminum you have and how much aluminum oxide you have. But before we get into that, we need to remember the parts of a chemical reaction. So the first part is that anything before the arrow is what's known as a reactant, and anything that's after the arrow is what's known as a product. The other part is that we're going to be using the words coefficients and subscripts. The words coefficients refers to the big numbers in front of each element or compound, so in this case the numbers in red. The subscripts refer to the little numbers, which are the ones in purple after oxygen, aluminum, and oxygen. What they mean, though, is that in this case, you have 2 oxygens per molecule, but you have 3 oxygen molecules. Here, you only have 1 aluminum, but you have 4 aluminum molecules. And here you have 2 aluminums and 3 oxygens per each aluminum oxide, but you have 2 of those molecules. So if we were to diagram it out, it would look like this. So here are my 1, 2, 3, 4 aluminums. Here are my 1, 2, 3 oxygens, and I have 1, 2 oxygen per molecule. And here are my 2 aluminum oxide molecules with each of their 2 aluminums and their 3 oxygens.